So hello, welcome. Today Audi A6 rear shock absorbers replacement. Brand new units over here. If you are ordering the shock absorbers takes those strut mounts as well. Quite possibly that the old ones are shot enough that you have to replace them. Two of them. Part number for them in case you need, and for shock absorbers. And let's start. First of all, obviously take the wheel off. Now we have to take this plastic cover off the fender. There are torque screws, Torx 25, I don't know, maybe your car is different. Up there and here, and that's the reason why I'm going to change out the shocks. You can see they are leaking quite badly. But first of all, let's take this plastic cover off, start undoing the bolts, and then continue. Now finally got all those plastic holding screws out. Start pulling it away. As you can see, it's into half pieces. I mean, this one comes out from this side, this one comes out from here, like that. Other. Now, once we are inside, you can see the strut connections up there with two bolts. Nice and rusty. Let's hope that they come loose. And the other one is down here. That one exactly over there. Got the upper bolts loose. They take 21mm. Strut one is over here. And then I did the other side. I did such a setup to hold it in place. And then I'm blasting with the big boy it out. Once you got all those bolts out, grab the strut, you can press it in, start wiggling it out, and that's why I'm saying you can see this bushing is smashed, and now we have the old strut out. It's the old strut between the vices, and here is the slot. Hold it down. Take the normal wrench to undo this bolt in order to carry those dust cover and pump stop over. Those are in good condition, so you don't need to buy those new. Now let's assemble the new unit. The new shock is over here. Teeth carry over the dust cover, the pump stop, now the strut mount. Place it in. The new strut comes with a new bolt, obviously. Start tightening bolt up and hold the center shaft in place with vices like that. And use a wrench with the spanner so we can do it that way. For good compression, the old unit, you can pretty much press it, bottom it out, and it's not coming up anymore. Take the brand new unit, which I have assembled over here, bottom it out. You can clearly see how it's coming back up. So this is the good unit and that's the bad one. Now, once you got the new strut in, the bolt is true. I'm not torquing down this bolt yet. The upper bolts you can torque down nice and tight. Then use the other jack to lift it drive height, and then we can tighten this bolt up as well. And then that's it pretty much. Why I didn't take this fender out, because those torque screws are just spinning around, and I just CBA drilling them through. I don't see the need for it, because as you can see, I managed to replace the strut without taking this whole plastic out.